If you have 3 slices of pork belly, put them in a pan with a little oil on medium heat and let them fry for 10 minutes. This recipe is very simple to prepare, and it's a very quick recipe, so it's good to have all the ingredients ready ahead of time. When the crust on this side has a nice color, like mine, if you see how good it looks, turn it over to the other side. Now add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano. Now the main ingredient, champagne. If you don't have champagne, then you can pour white wine or beer. I poured a large glass of champagne. Then add a generous piece of butter and slices of 4 cloves of garlic cut into slices. You can cut the garlic slices right on top of the pan. Let all the liquid evaporate on medium heat. After about 15 minutes, the meat is ready. Now the pork belly is ready to eat. As I promised, the recipe is very easy. Look how good the meat looks. You can eat it with potatoes, pasta, or rice. You can also pour chopped greens on top for extra taste and color. Transfer the meat to a plate and enjoy. Leave a comment if you like this recipe. I can't wait to eat. Please share this video with your friends. They will enjoy it too. Now all that remains is to go to the store and buy practically the cheapest meat on the shelf and enjoy it.